Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is possibly going to be the first gameplay I upload on my channel in a long while. Let's turn that volume down a little bit. Okay, so this game is called We Went Back. It's a horror game free on Steam, so you can imagine why I wanted to play it, because it's free, not because it's horror. I'm actually kind of scared. So I really don't have much of an introduction. I don't know much about the game other than that it's a horror game set in space, and I'm nervous about this, but it's daytime, so it's okay. Let's get started. Hold the right mouse button to... Wait, what? Okay, hold on. I gotta really focus. Hold the right... Yes, I did just check what my right hand was. Mouse button to zoom on objects or areas you wish to see better. I don't like that shadow. Press E to interact when it appears on the screen. During object inspection, move your mouse to rotate the object. When the object zooms closer, press E to snap a photo. Real quick, before we do get started, I just want to say I'm very well aware of the birds tweeting in the background. That would be my bird, Pazu. She's very worked up right now, and I don't know why. I opened the cage, and now she's just like, everyone needs to know that she's here. Let's see. Oh, I regret that. I'll just go to 1. I don't... That's the default setting. I'm gonna guess it's default for a reason. I feel like I should probably keep this. Select the best settings before you start the game. Just keep that. Okay, adjust the brightness so that symbol on the left is barely visible. Okay, it already is barely visible, but let's... Oh, wait, wrong way. Let's see. Okay, I would say that's barely visible.
Cryosleep interrupted. Life form detected.
Let me see something real quick. Are there... I'm trying to see if there's... That's it? Okay. I was hoping there would be subtitles. I guess not. Okay. Hopefully you guys can hear it okay. I'll try not to talk over any other talking too much. So, interesting. Getting some Fallout 4 vibes here. Okay. I'm kind of... Wake up, sleepyhead. I'm genuinely, like... I didn't expect that there would be free games like this on Steam with, like, such good, like, graphics.
Input override command and exit terminal activated.
Did she say what the password was and I wasn't listening? Nope, that's not what I meant to spell. No! Oof. Hope she didn't say the password. And I just didn't hear her. Let's go this way. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a camera. Whoa, I don't like that noise. What was that? Okay, I can pick it up apparently. Okay. Oh, wait, you can't crouch? I don't like that. I don't like that I can't crouch. That makes me very uncomfortable for some reason. Oh my god, I'm so scared and nothing's even happened yet. Ooh, pool. Oh, what a nice... Oh, I forgot I wanted to work out today. Aw, well. Why do what you can do today when you can do it tomorrow, as the saying goes. Okay, okay. I remember, so it was saying that I could interact with objects and then take a picture of it. I wonder why I need to take the pictures, though. Like, what are they for? Why am I alone? Why am I just starting to ask that question? Why am I here alone? Oh, plants. Okay, I'll get to there in a second. Can I run? Okay, I can run, but I can't crouch. And I can't jump. This makes me very uncomfortable. Okay, I can't interact with these. Oh my goodness. I don't like this. I I don't like oh, the lights are flashing. Stop it. Don't do that. Oh my goodness. I can't. You're alive. Stay alive. Why do you have red eyes? That is creepy. Okay. Oh, your little tail is very, very straight. Are those poops? Those are poops. I love that they took the time. They're like, yeah, we're gonna add poop. Of course that needs to be animated. Okay, I'm kind of keeping my eye out for anything that like gives me the impression of a password that I can go back and use. I'm also trying to keep my eye out for shadows because I'm very scared that I'm going to be seeing like shadows of monsters and whatnot. I want to see something back here because in the trailer those helmets back there turned their heads and looked at you, and I want to see if they did that or if that was just like a trailer attribute. Nope, they're not looking at me. Okay. I'm kind of curious if I'm in a suit too. This makes me want to watch Star Trek Next Generation really bad. Alright, let's see. Will this unlock E for interact? Ooh, nice. Wait. Oh, okay, so this is where I started. Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to find a password of some sort, I guess. I thought I heard something. That made me nervous. I'm just gonna try Luna real quick. Nope. Let's see, I'm looking. I'm really afraid that I missed it at the beginning. Oh, fascinating. I didn't see that at the beginning. Ah! What the? What was that? I didn't like that at all. No, I did not. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's where the camera was hanging down. Oh my god, I don't like this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that wasn't open before, was it? Something jumped. Oh, I'm just gonna take its place and not move. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll just stay here for the rest of the game. Its head is still moving. Oh my god, I don't like this. I can't go past it. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. I don't want to turn around. Oh. Okay. This escalated very quickly. I thought I was gonna have to figure out how to get through that room and then things would start, but this is very different than what I was expecting. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I'm so nervous. I always think I can play horror games because I watch other YouTubers play horror games and I'm not like that startled. Like, I'm okay. I don't know if it's just because there's like someone essentially with me. Oh, I'm so scared to turn around every time though. Oh, but then I go to play them by myself and I'm like, I hate this. I don't want to play this anymore. I'm staying in here. Close the door, please. Oh my god. I'm just moving very slowly, and I'm so scared. Oh my god. What was that from over there, though? Why was this free? If this wasn't free, I wouldn't be playing this right now. Stop looking at me. Okay, hold on. Just breathe. I can do this. I'm like so tense right now. My shoulders were all arched and everything. I wonder if I can move the body. Status. Operational. Nothing I can do with it. Ah! Jesus! Fuck! Why would I want to interact after I just saw that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm okay. I'm okay. This is okay. Everything is fine. It's only been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Can I play something? What is this? That looks like something I can... Oh. Interact. Okay, I forgot I can do that. Alright. And that's a nail, not something to interact with. Alright. What does all this mean? Okay. How do I take it? I forgot how to take a picture. Didn't it say E to take a picture? I-E. I don't know what that means. Maybe... I'm thinking... oh, okay, wait, hold on. Is this a moon? Bruno. Bruno! Okay, sorry. Anyways. That'll make sense to like 2 people. I don't know. I don't know. I'm closing my eyes just in case. Okay, they're back open. I don't like this at all. Okay, is that me making noise? Yeah, it's me making noise. Oh, I'm scared. I keep covering my eyes. Oh, the body's gone! Oh, I mean... Okay, I'm sorry. I am not happy right now. I am not laughing because I'm happy. I'm laughing because I'm so scared and I don't want to do this. This isn't even that scary! Okay, there's a truck going by. I thought it was the game and I was like really freaking out. I was like, oh my god! This is how I die! Oh, can I interact with this? I want to interact with you, please! That just like seeing that made me feel so safe for a second. I was like, oh, yay! But now that I can't interact with it, I'm sad again. Is that a door? No, that looks like a workout machine. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Oh, sorry. Ignore that. It's still recording? I'm definitely hearing something on the left side. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. What am I supposed to do? What is that? Come at me. Come on. Let's go. It's gonna be on the other side. What? Wait. What? Hold on. No. Can I be the monster in the shafts? It keeps going. Okay, whew. I gotta keep reminding myself not to tense up because that just makes it worse. Just, okay, keep going. Is that just a glow stick? I can't. What's this? Oh, I feel like there's something behind me. It says I can take a picture at a certain angle. I'm trying to. Oh, it's the eclipse thing. Oh, I do not want to turn around. Nope. Turning around. Okay, I totally turned around with my eyes closed. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright. Okay. Is this a different one? No, I can't interact with it. Stop tensing! Whew, hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I hate myself. I was like, I can do this! It looked like... Yes, it looked scary in the trailers, but like not so scary I wouldn't want to play it. Y'all are probably watching this and being like, woman, this isn't even that bad. I know it's not! Let me be afraid. What are we looking at here? You know, if I really tried, I could probably read that, but I'm not going to. Okay, that... That's the monster! Because of the mouth opening thing, I can kind of tell. Stop tensing. So, something happened and made the humans monsters? Am I seeing a shadow over there? Nope. Now I know why people do face cam, so you can see their expressions when I don't know what to say. I don't like all these all these things open. Maybe I need to keep looking around closer at things. Find something to take a picture of, etc. What? Help! Scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Help you brush your teeth? Yeah, I'm sure it's as innocent as that. There's nothing else going on. I'm not worried. Nope. We're all good.